How to put a timer on Wix website. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. The first thing you will need to do is select the section that you would like to add the timer to. So let's say we'd like to add our timer to this section. All you'll need to do next is go over to the top left hand corner and you are going to tap on the plus that says add elements. After selecting add elements, what I want you to do next is tap on the search icon. After tapping on the search icon, you're going to type in timer. Then from here, you're going to simply scroll down and you're going to select urgency countdown timer. After selecting urgency countdown timer, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you could tap on add to site. After selecting add to site, you're going to tap on agree and add. Once you have done that, you will see your countdown timer has now been added, as you can see right here. Now you can edit your countdown timer, so we're going to pull it to the section that I had told you earlier. So I'm going to pull it to the right there. Then I'm going to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, from here you'll be able to edit your countdown timer. So you can see right there, you could edit the content. So for example, you could tap on content. After tapping on content, you can scroll down and you can select the countdown from and to. You can change the date, as you can see right there. You can also tap on design, and then from there you can change the style. So at the moment it is square. If you would like to change it to cycle, you can do that. If you would like to change it to no borders, you can also do that, as you can see right there. You can scroll down, you can change the layout, you could add animations if you want, you can add fonts, you can also add a background color or so on if you want, and you can also change the size of the countdown timer. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.